will also monitor Earth's climate and conduct astrophysics experiments. Every experiment adds to our knowledge and benefits life on Earth. Crew-11's research will shape the future of exploration. Want to watch it all happen? Don't miss. This is your one-stop, step-by-step guide. Who's flying, what they're flying in, where they're launching from, and what they'll do on the ISS. Whether you're a space veteran or just curious, you'll leave this video ready for launch day. We'll cover the crew, the rocket, the science, and the timeline. Welcome back. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about NASA and SpaceX's Crew-11 mission. This is your one-stop, step-by-step guide. Who's flying, what they're flying in, where they're launching from, and what they'll do on the ISS. Whether you're a space veteran or just curious, you'll leave this video ready for launch day. We'll cover the crew, the rocket, the science, and the timeline. No detail left out. Let's jump in. Crew-11 represents a significant milestone. It is NASA and SpaceX's 11th operational crewed flight, a testament to the ongoing success of their partnership. This mission continues the vital work being done to the ISS under the Commercial Crew Program, ensuring a continuous human presence in low Earth orbit. The mission's main goal, and a crucial one it is to deliver 4 astronauts, highly trained and prepared, for an extended 6-month science expedition, a period dedicated to groundbreaking research and discovery. This ensures the ISS remains fully staffed, with research ongoing across a multitude of disciplines, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. This isn't just a taxi ride, it's a vital component of a larger scientific endeavor. Beyond transportation, each mission rigorously tests hardware, assesses human endurance in the harsh space environment, and significantly expands our understanding of the challenges and possibilities of long-duration living in space. The ISS serves as a truly unique microgravity lab, a place where the absence of Earth's gravity allows for experiments that would be impossible elsewhere. This enables groundbreaking experiments in medicine, offering insights into human health and potential treatments for diseases. It also allows for advancements in materials science, crystal growth, and a wide range of other fields, things that are simply impossible to replicate or achieve with the constraints of Earth's environment. Crew-11's arrival brings fresh hands and minds to the ISS, vital for ongoing maintenance, continued scientific research, and the potential for critical spacewalks to upgrade and repair the station. These missions, once extraordinary feats, are now becoming routine, demonstrating just how far commercial partnerships in space exploration have progressed in recent years. The regular crew rotation is essential for keeping the ISS productive and operational, and it also paves the way for even more ambitious future endeavors, such as missions to the Moon and eventually Mars. Crew-11 stands as a powerful testament to the strength of NASA and SpaceX's collaborative spirit, and highlights the increasing maturity and capabilities of the commercial spaceflight industry as a whole. Crew-11 represents another significant step forward in making access to space more reliable, sustainable, and frequent. So, with Crew-11 underway, let's eagerly anticipate what exciting developments and discoveries lie just around the corner. So, when's liftoff? Crew-11 is targeting launch no earlier than August 2024. Remember, launch dates are always subject to change. Weather, technical checks, and orbital mechanics all play a role. The launch window is instantaneous, timed precisely to rendezvous with the ISS, as it orbits at 17,000 miles per hour. Miss it, and they'll try again the next day. NASA and SpaceX will provide constant updates as launch day approaches. Weather must be clear at the pad and along the rocket's path over the Atlantic. Scrubs are normal. Safety comes first. Watch for L- countdowns and weather briefings in the days before launch. Stay tuned to official channels for the final go for launch time. Mark your calendar for August and get ready for a spectacular show. Where's it all happening? Crew-11 launches from Kennedy Space Center's iconic launch complex 39A in Florida. This pad launched Apollo 11 to the Moon and now hosts SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. The site blends history with modern tech. SpaceX's Crew Access Arm replaces the old Apollo gantry. Florida's East Coast location lets rockets launch eastward, gaining a boost from Earth's rotation and ensuring safe splashdown zones. The pad's legacy connects past and present, Saturn V, Shuttle, and now Falcon 9. When you watch Crew-11 lift off, you're witnessing history in motion. LC-39A is hallowed ground for space exploration. Let's meet the crew. Meet the Crew-11 astronauts, a blend of experience and international partnership. Commander Nick Hague, NASA veteran, brings leadership and resilience after a dramatic Soyuz abort, and a 203-day ISS mission. Pilot Alexander Misyurkin, a Roscosmos cosmonaut, ensures seamless cooperation between the U.S. and Russian ISS segments. Mission specialist Stephanie Wilson, a 3-time shuttle astronaut, will lead science operations and support critical phases. The 4th member, often from ESA or JAXA, will be announced closer to launch, highlighting global collaboration. Each astronaut brings unique skills for science, maintenance, and outreach. Their teamwork is vital for mission success. Crew-11 showcases the international spirit of the ISS. 4 astronauts, 1 mission. Let's see what they'll fly. On to the hardware. The Crew-11 team, a group of highly trained astronauts, prepares for their journey. They ride aboard SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, a marvel of modern engineering, ready to embark on a mission to the stars. This incredible team will be housed in the Crew-Dragon spacecraft. This capsule is their home and laboratory in orbit, attached securely to the Falcon 9, ready to be propelled into the vast expanse of space. Falcon 9 is a 2-stage, reusable rocket, a design that sets it apart from many of its predecessors. This reusability is key to making space travel more accessible and sustainable. The rocket's first stage lands itself after launch, a feat of engineering that was once considered science fiction. This innovative approach cuts costs dramatically and boosts reliability, making space missions more frequent and affordable. 9 Merlin engines power liftoff, generating immense thrust to overcome Earth's gravity. Once in the upper atmosphere, the 2nd stage takes over, pushing Dragon to its final orbit, where it will begin its mission. Crew Dragon is sleek, fully autonomous, and designed with safety as the top priority. Its streamlined shape and advanced materials protect the crew from the harsh environment of space. Inside, astronauts use touchscreens, a modern interface that simplifies complex operations. This is a stark contrast to the old-school switches and dials of previous generations of spacecraft. The capsule comfortably seats 4 astronauts for NASA missions, providing ample space for long-duration flights. In addition to crew, there's extra room for cargo, allowing for the transport of essential supplies and scientific equipment. Its Super Draco abort engines are a critical safety feature, ready to activate in a split second. These powerful engines can instantly pull the crew to safety in an emergency, separating the capsule from the rocket. This represents a major leap over past systems, providing a much higher level of protection for the astronauts. Automation handles most routine tasks, freeing up the crew to focus on research and mission objectives. However, astronauts can take manual control if needed, ensuring they have the final say in critical situations. The combination of reusability, advanced automation, and enhanced safety features makes this system a truly revolutionary step forward in space travel technology. Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon are not just vehicles. They are changing how we reach space, making it more accessible and sustainable for future generations. Now let's walk through the mission timeline to understand the sequence of events that will unfold. Here's how launch day unfolds, from the early morning preparations to the moment of liftoff. Let's take a look at the timeline. Here's how the Crew-11 mission's journey unfolds, step by step, from the moment they leave Earth to their return after many months in space. The countdown hits 0, and with a tremendous roar, Falcon 9 ignites its engines, launching the crew skyward on a pillar of fire and smoke. The initial ascent is the most powerful part of the journey. After approximately 2.5 minutes of powered flight, the first stage separates cleanly and begins its controlled return to Earth for a landing and future reuse. Meanwhile, the second stage continues its burn, accelerating towards orbit, carrying the Crew Dragon and its precious cargo. About 12 minutes after the initial launch, the Crew Dragon spacecraft separates from the second stage, now in its preliminary orbit. And with that separation, it begins its solo flight, chasing the International Space Station, which is its ultimate destination. Over the next several hours, Dragon executes a series of carefully planned engine burns to precisely align its trajectory with the space station. The final docking procedure is fully automated, with the onboard crew and the mission control teams on the ground meticulously monitoring every single step of the process. Once the docking is complete and confirmed, the hatches are opened, and the crew officially joins the existing inhabitants of the ISS for an extended 6-month stay, conducting groundbreaking science, performing essential maintenance, and engaging in educational outreach activities, filling their days with purpose and discovery. When the time comes for their return journey, they undock from the ISS and execute a precisely timed deorbit burn, slowing their velocity, which sets them on a course for a fiery re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. As they descend, parachutes deploy, gently slowing the capsule for a safe and soft splashdown in the ocean, where recovery teams await. Every single phase of this mission is absolutely critical, demanding precision and expertise, from the initial launch to the final landing. Now the big question is, what groundbreaking science and discoveries will they make during their time on the ISS? Why send astronauts for 6 months? Science. The ISS is a world-class lab. Crew-11 will study human health, materials, and technology in microgravity. They'll test how space affects bones, muscles, and the heart, vital for future Moon and Mars missions. Materials science experiments will create new alloys and perfect protein crystals, leading to better drugs and tech on Earth. Technology demos like advanced water recycling and 3D printing prepare us for deep space. The crew will also monitor Earth's climate and conduct astrophysics experiments. Every experiment adds to our knowledge and benefits life on Earth. Crew-11's research will shape the future of exploration. Want to watch it all happen? Don't miss the action. Watch Crew-11 launch live. NASA and SpaceX stream every moment on YouTube with expert commentary and real-time views from the rocket. Coverage starts hours before launch and continues through ascent, docking, and key milestones. Follow NASA and SpaceX on social media for instant updates and behind-the-scenes content. Track the mission with apps like NASA's or Spaceflight Now for real-time data. You can even follow the astronauts' personal accounts for a unique perspective. Set your reminders. This is history in the making. Let's wrap up. That's your complete Crew-11 guide from launch pad to science lab. We've covered the crew, rocket, timeline, and research. Now you're ready for launch day. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more space updates. Mark your calendar and tune in for Liftoff. It's a show you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching and see you at launch.